The smart garage door opener brings convenience and security right to your fingertips. Imagine never wondering if you left the garage door open again. Geofencing does the thinking for you. With geofencing, your garage door knows when you're coming home and when you're leaving. It's like having a personal assistant for your garage, automatically opening as you approach and closing securely behind you as you drive away. This technology uses your smartphone's location to create a virtual boundary around your home. Once your phone crosses this boundary, the smart opener receives a signal. You set the rules. Auto open when you enter the geofence, auto close when you leave. No more fumbling for remotes. No more stopping in the rain or dark. Enhanced security means you can monitor your garage door activity from anywhere, anytime. Receive notifications if the door is left open, even when you're miles away. The smart garage door opener with geofencing offers peace of mind and effortless control. Upgrade your home with this intuitive technology. It's more than convenience, it's smart living. Experience the future of home automation today. Your smart garage awaits.